kayo na, di ba? Huwag lang yung repair eh. Ano pag lang yung repair eh? Gagal.
Ano ba sa ganti mo ipamagyan ko ba? Bang yung kamera ko. Ha? Diyan na ko. Iya kap. Wala mo rin kapit manager naman nila.
Sakto na? Oy, katawa natin istrante, wala natin istrante. Ha? Wala si Juan, mabultog. Ako atagon.
Shopping online. Get it today.
Mura ko magpati, amo tong ano man, wa ko kabalo.
Wala kay champion ay.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello.
Amang coach.
Hello.
Ay,
Okay.
nawala ang coach. Ting.
Game between Goyernes versus Federico Baraco. Game 2.
Ikaw coach ko lang kaya wala siya bugan.
Toothbrush pa kay.
Ah,
Hello, hello.
let's get it to roll. Okay. Go.
Ang mapilihan niya nakaka. Majikit pa man eh. Majikit pa sulutan eh. Okay.
Nga alam yung short pa ni mo sa daw, baka na naka-blue. Oh, nagbigot to.
Players ready.
Kuya naman pare.
Nagita. 1 point. Nagita. Ang recording complex. Good.
Video.
Ay, sorry.
Likod. Layo ra.
9 minutes 23 seconds.
Ay.
Sentro.
Kwarta.
Nagita. Ngayon, bigyan mo ka. Lasso Rayana. 10 seconds to shoot. Good one.
Budoy.
Illegal laping.
Warning.
9 minutes 45 seconds. 9 minutes and 25 seconds.
Ano yung mga landoy, Dudoy? Sakto lang, pre.
Asilio, Nagita, Asosito again, Intercept by Arcelias. No good. Good again. Kaya pa. 9 minutes and 10 seconds.
Tuwa naman ko to si Imo kagawas. Ano niya mo rebound.
Agita.
Ay,
Simple ulit na po.
ako sa player.
Fires. Basbo. 9 minutes and 10 seconds.
Kung Sansay.
Kaya pa. 10 seconds to shoot. Go for one.
Pipi nga.
2 points. Marinho. 8 minutes and 45 seconds. Intercepted by Gita. Asilo. Paso na Gita. Paso 2. Jose Fibes. Nagita. Score against 5. 2 points lead. Catering Maraco. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Nagita. Paso Marinho.
Luya na.
Rebound by Layana. Archer 2. Layana again. Arcilia. This is on the ground.
Pagaw ng coach niya. Wali mo
Admitted
malinaw.
Monaco. First team foul. 7 minutes and 54 seconds. Abagat. Rebound by Jacinto. Pulita. 10 seconds to shoot.
Paminaw mo sa interval. Paminaw mo.
7 minutes and 25 seconds. Layana. Carillo, Archer 2. Good. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. Carillo.
Kotso. Buisit mo nga tao, di mo ka
7
paminaw.
minutes and 10 seconds. Jacinto. Nagita. Osgol. Goal position. Ian Mix. 7 minutes. 10 seconds to shoot. Second team foul. Veteran Monaco. 7 minutes and 25 seconds. 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Daya. 10 seconds to shoot. Goal for one.
Napagaw na lang.
4-6 points lead. Veteran Monaco. 10 seconds to shoot. 2 points. 8 against 4. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Foul. Veteran Monaco. 6 minutes and 32 seconds. 6 minutes and 32 seconds. Kaya na. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Good. Rebound by Tay. Nagita.
Good na! Dagan-dagan, rep! Gadako na yung leog.
Go, Abagat. 6 minutes remaining time. Jacinto. Shot clock 10. Okay, Score against five. Dayana. Whistle sounded loud. Third team foul. Veteran Barako. Third team foul. Remaining time last 6 minutes.
Coach, kaya na ba, Coach?
Dayana. For 2 points. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Whistle sounded. First team foul. Yo. Asinto. 10 seconds to shoot. Goal one. 5 minutes and 25 seconds.
Ano yan, sir, namin nakabinang.
Asinto. 10 seconds to shoot.
Kano! Sawas, Kano!
5 minutes and 10 seconds. Rebound kay Asinto.
Paminaw sa coach kay napagaw na!
Asinto. Pass over Rio. Whistle. Time out.
Wait, time out! Wait, time out!
Minutes. Last 5 minutes.
Dali, dagan!
Last 5 minutes. Remaining time.
Masudla na si Ruino! Ayan ang masulod latos na! Yung tubig, yung gripo.
Score 10-7. 3 points lead. Hitting Barako. Hitting Barako. Fourth team foul. New York Knicks. First team foul. Okay, resumption of play. 4 minutes 55 seconds. Dayana. Magod, Ibano Asinto. 10 seconds to shoot. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Nagita. 10 seconds to shoot.
Wala yung pound may uso.
Dayana. Sa clock 10. Goal one.
Ano yung Paul, nakatiyong ang referee, timing kayo.
4 minutes and 10 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Let's go. Goal position will next. 3 minutes 55 seconds. 3 minutes 55 seconds. Team fouls. Team fouls.
Ball position.
Hits people. 11 men. 12 men. 4 points lead New York Knicks. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Shot clock 10. 3 minutes and 35 seconds.
Natiyan na ta!
3 minutes and 30
Good, Jebon! Good! Ayaw gundang!
3 minutes and 19 seconds.
Gibawi na niya kay kaniya.
Asinto. Second team foul. 3 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time.
Set play, coach. Set play. Why set play na to?
3 minutes and 5 seconds.
Baylo sila now.
Kapit ba, Paul? Sab, dalag-lag ka raw. Bit-bit liyap dahil sundang ah.
Andrew, 2 minutes and 54 seconds.
Direct.
Good for 1. 14 against 11. 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
Wala naglaway ang coach.
Asito. 10 seconds to shoot.
Oh, di kayo masasabi.
Good.
2 minutes and 40 seconds. 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Makatambalos-los mo.
4 minutes and 35 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot.
Ipasa
2
na.
minutes and 25 seconds. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. No good.
Kaya na kalikay ang ring. Oh.
Mababay Asito.
Good.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Guboto na ni coach.
Sa track line. One minute and 45 seconds. 1 minute and 40 seconds.
Okay.
1 minute and 35 seconds.
Sunod na win. Direct na ang score.
1 minute and 35 seconds.
Okay, madaw to midyan.
1 minute and 32 seconds.
Wala pa, impasa.
Ini Mark, nakaarag panipa.
1 minute and 25 seconds. Sa track line.
Oh!
1 minute and 20 seconds. 17 foul. 2 close.
Sab, ref, sab!
1 minute and 18 seconds. 1 minute and 18 seconds.
Gamay ra na nga biya, di na biya sa bula nun.
1 minute and 18 seconds. One minute and 10 seconds. Last 1 minute. 55 seconds. Stop clock time.
Balik, singit.
45 seconds.
4 points na lang.
Stop clock time. 18 foul. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Second crew, no basket rebound.
Paalok yung nakadaan, Mark? Mark, paalok. Pila! Okay. Makarosan na yung mong bok.
Udoy! 25 seconds. Wait 2 seconds. Wait 2. Wait 2 seconds.
Wala ba doon na banga, no?
Wait 3 seconds. Shot clock 10. 5 seconds to shoot. Shot clock condition.
Paluab na! Kalong na!
2, 1. Game. Winner is
Dileto mo daw kay wakasulod si Ruben. Si Erwin ipahawid na ng daog. Erwin, ikaw Erwin.
Tayo ngayon.